This is a final video to fix the matchmaking failed error in Counter-Strike 2. Are you frustrated because every time you try to join a match, the game fails and won't let you play? This usually happens because of network connection issues, corrupted game files, or conflicts with Steam and background apps blocking matchmaking. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall the game, edit system files, or run multiple commands, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this error quickly and safely in just a few simple steps. First, we'll verify and repair your Counter-Strike 2 files through Steam to remove corruption, then reset your network settings so matchmaking servers connect properly, and finally, close conflicting background apps to prevent errors. This method works on almost all Windows PCs, keeps your game files and settings safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix the matchmaking failed error and join games smoothly, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and get back into matches without frustrating matchmaking failures.